Call me Captain Shireen.
Oh my god! Guys, this is amazing if you are in Taiwan.
It was really amazing. It was really beautiful to see. And with the sunset, it was really special.
Last time in Pingtung, we go underwater. And so this time I want to do something more different and we go up in the air. I'm so excited. Although that's not my first time, I did try it in LA once, a little bit larger than this one is 4-seated and this one is 2-seated. So I think my feeling will be a little bit different.
I'm super excited. I've never even seen a plane like this in person so close, except for maybe in a museum. It's like basically in the cockpit, right? Like I get to see the pilot's perspective. So I'm really excited about that. Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
I'm super excited!
I can't believe I'm here right now. I still don't believe it. I mean, I see it, I hear it, but I don't believe it. But I'm not afraid of heights. In fact, I love them. I'm always in tall buildings and I want to reach and take a look. My mom, my friends, hey, be careful. I'm like, it's okay, nothing happens. I'm so happy, I'm so excited, and I just want to be the new Maverick. Yes.
Hi, hello.
This is my friend.
Hey, how are you?
Good, thank you.
We are so excited.
So you can learning how to fly an aircraft. Yes.
So we'll be the Taiwan Top Gun.
Top Gun, yeah, Tom Cruise. We are located in south of Taiwan and the only one legal airfield. Yes.
In whole Taiwan.
Yeah. Yes. So you can train here and have a license.
Wow.
Yes.
How many years in training?
It just only take about 3 months.
3 months and you
Yes.
can be a pilot.
Yes.
Wow. What should we do first? Wear uniform?
Yeah. Change your uniform.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Shall we start our lessons?
Yes.
Ready? You're ready.
Okay. This one is aileron. We control our airplane turn left and turn right. Our fuel tank. If we full tank, we can fly almost 6 hours. We can fly from here to Hong Kong, Philippines.
Can go home.
Yeah, or Thailand.
Oh, better.
Yeah.
And this one is our canopy. Before takeoff, before the flight, need to close.
Slide in.
Yeah. In south of Taiwan, our weather is more stable. We have a big airfield, and our airplane, very new. It's very suitable for flight training.
Call me Captain Shireen. Here we go.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready?
Okay, go!
Go! So fast! Oh my god! We're flying! See? Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah, I'm good, I'm good! Oh, guys, this is amazing if you are in Taiwan. Come here to live this. It's a unique experience.
Turn right.
Okay. Taiwan is beautiful from every angle.
Yeah.
Now I can say it. Wow, you can see the whole village. How long do you fly every day?
Every day,
Yeah.
I fly whole day.
Wow, how many years?
26 years.
Wow, so 26 years
Yeah, so
all day,
I
every day?
I've accumulated over 6,000 flight time.
Wow, that's so impressive.
You can go here by yourself.
Yeah, oh yeah, I will be back. I think it would be so cool to get a pilot license.
Yeah.
Just flew, feeling very like lots of endorphins, very excited still. It was really amazing. I just got to relax and like the sun was huge. You couldn't see all of the fields, the whole village, all the houses, and it was not too far away, so I wasn't having to strain my eyes to look. It was really beautiful to see, and with the sunset it was really special. Yeah, my sister actually loves Top Gun. I haven't watched Top Gun, but I'm Maverick right now. And I think she'd be super jealous. So I'll definitely take her here to fly. I think she'd she'd definitely want to get a license as well, so I can do that with her.
What can I tell you? It was amazing. Oh my God, I have no words. First, Taiwan is beautiful from the sky. Second, I float myself. And it's actually surprisingly easy. It's just one stick, go up, go down, go left, go right. I wanted him to do me a whole flip, but I think he was like, you're crazy. Feels a little bit like when you're driving a scooter and you feel that gravity tilting you, and so amazing. So smooth. It's like so smooth when going up, so smooth when on the air, so smooth. I have to clap because the captain was perfect landing.
Super fun! When I'm up there, Saber, he showed me a little bit tricks of G-force. We're like tilting to the left, like more than 45 degrees. Wow, that's so excited! And look at the view, it's so beautiful that I forgot to take my own selfie. I'm so proud that I planned this event and bring them to here.